What the fuck? What are you doing on here, dude? Get off of here. He won't get off. No free rides, bro. Get off. What the fuck is going on right now? What? Bro, you catching a ride? What the hell? He won't get off, even with the air horn. We're gonna woo him out of here. This is so weird. He's still on there. Hey, Rick, I got a bird on the roof. Look. Why is the bird still on the roof? Look at that. What the?
Especially after the horn.
He's still on there, man.
No, he's straight done.
I think it's stuck. We're gonna go. Let me go get this bird off real quick. It's stuck on there, I think. I'll be right back. What are you doing, bro? Get out of here. Oh man, he's not doing so well. Oh, thanks for that. Oh no. Oh God. I feel terrible, but he doesn't want to get on the highway with me. Ugh. Ah!